Excuse me, Srisha, can you explain this?
Yeah, this is basically a surveillance robot where we have used three modules here. One is a IR sensor and other one is germanium photodiode for heat sensing, and here we have used a combination of LED and LDR to detect smoke, and here already told you this is obstacle sensor which we have used is IR. Here it's a parallel IR sensor, and the beauty of this circuit lies in the usage of this microcontroller. This is 8089SC51, and you have some relays here which will be useful to isolate the whole circuit from the motor. So if anything happens, such like a breakdown in the power, automatically the motor will affect the microcontroller's load voltage, load current. So in order to reduce that, we have used two relays here for two motors, and we have 555 ICs in order to generate a AC supply source, 2D sensors, and one more thing we have is here we have an additional feature of installing a mobile and assigning a speed dial to that. Let me show you in brief. Make it closer. Switch on power.
Power of the other నడిపించి obstacle ఇరొచ్చు
కింద పడుతుంది.
డిరెక్ట్ చేయట్లేదా శిషా?
బ్యాటరీ తక్కువ ఉందిరా. సో బ్యాటరీ తక్కువ ఉంది. ఇంకో బ్యాటరీ అలా ఉంది. కొత్త బ్యాటరీ
వీడియో తీస్తున్నప్పుడు ఏంటి నేను చేస్తానండి.
Yeah. See, when we have a fire supply, fire accident in something a place like that, then obviously this is going to give a supply here, and obviously this is going to sense and give a buzzer over here. Awesome.
చాలా